Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Ed. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off YouTube comments. First of all, you can open the YouTube application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and now you can just simply scroll down, and here you will find the option that is your videos, tap on it, and if you will uploaded the videos, you will find your videos here. You can now tap on the three dots at the right side of the video, tap on it, and now you can tap on edit, and here you can just simply scroll down and you will find the last option that is comments, tap on it, and you can just simply disable this option by clicking on off. And this is the way you can turn off comments on YouTube. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.